What is the place you see in the picture? The place which we can see in the picture is a village. What things do you see in the picture? The things which we can see in the picture are pots, huts, potter's wheel, stick, hut, trees, fishing net, plough, slippers, specs, etc. Who are the people you see in the picture? The people whom we can see in the picture are a potter, a shepherd, a fisherman, a cobbler, farmer, and a carpenter. What are they doing? They are doing their daily work. A potter is making pots. A shepherd is taking sheep to the farm. A fisherman is carrying fishes. A cobbler is mending slippers. A farmer is taking a plough to his farm. A carpenter is making furniture. Now, children, let's identify the nouns in this picture. Nouns: pots, plough, carpenter, farmer, potter's wheel, fisherman, huts, potter, sheep, cobbler, etc. Now let us identify the verbs in this picture: making, walking, mending, taking, carrying, talking, carrying, etc. Now let us create a conversation between a man and a cobbler. Man: hello cobbler. Cobbler: hello sir, how can I help you? Man: can you mend my slipper? Cobbler: yes sir. Man: how much will you take? Cobbler: I will take ₹50. Man: okay. Cobbler: sir, your slippers are ready, you can wear it. Man: take ₹50. Cobbler: thank you sir. Now by seeing this picture, we can learn that all occupations are noble. Do you know what is an occupation? Occupation is a work which they are practicing to earn their livelihood. Here in this picture, we have seen a potter is making pots. We use pots for storing water. A shepherd is taking sheep to the farm for grazing. The sheep are used for wool and meat. A fisherman is taking fishes to the market for selling. A cobbler is mending slippers for a man. A carpenter is making furniture. A farmer is taking plough to plough in his farm. So by this we can understand that all the occupations are important. We should respect the person who is continuing these occupations.